Hello, it's already 12:08 in the morning. It's already September 1. I'm still studying. So there are 377 days. I'm not sure kung ilang araw pa before my bar exam. But it's my routine. Hanggang alas 2 ako dito. It's kinda lonely. It's fine. It's okay. This is for one great cause, which is for me to have a better future. Hopefully this all works out in the end. All the sacrifice, all this loneliness, all this pain will eventually pay off. That would be all. Yun naman lang. So Alvin, in the future, I hope that you're studying well too. Okay, isang take lang tayo pa.